Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can apply a vignette effect, for example, to darken or to lighten the corners of an image or photo in Adobe Lightroom. So let us get started. So head over to your photo editing project on Lightroom and access the editing panel here to the right. After that, what you want to do is scroll down and find the vignette tool. You'll find it here under effects. So if needed or necessary, expand the effects tab here. And after that, simply use that vignette tool here to, as you can see, if I move the slider to the right, the image corners will become somehow white or lighter. And if I move it to the left, the corners will darken. So I can leave it like that. Press enter. Or you can click into save here to save your changes. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.